Hello friends, welcome to CyberCAD Solutions. In this session, I would like to explain annotation monitor. So sometimes in your drawings, when you scale up some items along with the dimensions, you will observe this kind of yellow color badges. So what does it mean? It is called annotation monitor. So by default, which is not on. So it is saying that your dimension has lost its associativity with its object. So if you go on to that badge and click over there, you will get two different options, say reassociate and delete. And if you do not want to do anything with that badge, you can simply switch it off by clicking this plus button on the status bar, which is nothing but annotation monitor. You can switch it off by clicking on that one so that all the badges will be lost. But to reassociate the dimensions, you need to click on that badge and take reassociate, and you need to pick the first point and second point. Otherwise you can take select object option and simply click on that object so that the dimension will be reassociated with its object. So like that, it will keep on giving you a warning sign saying that these dimensions are lost its associativity with their objects. So simply, if you do not want to modify them, you can go and switch off that one over here on the status bar by clicking this. So I would suggest using annotation monitor to continually check your dimensions and turn it on to check for issues before releasing your drawing to the checker. We can also switch it off by simply taking annotation monitor command ANNOMONITOR and simply say 0 value so that all these will be switched off. This is equivalent to switching off the annotation monitor on the status bar button. So if you click on this button, it will switch on. Similarly, you can take it through our annotation monitor command by entering 0. This warning icon is also a functional item and allows you an easy method of fixing the issue. Thanks for watching and welcome to the next session.